Good morning students. Come to page number 27. In previous link we have completed our page 26, right? Punctuations. What you have the next? Introduce yourself. What do you mean by introduce yourself? Now read the following sentence from the lesson. Hello, I am Mr. What is your name? So here Billy, what he was doing, he was pretending to be Mr. and he introduced himself. In the same way, we introduce ourselves and seek information about others to more about each other. एक दूसरे के बारे में जानना और एक हमारे बारे में बताने के लिए what we say introduce करना, right? Now look at the picture here. Look at these two boys. They are introducing each other. See, first boy. Hello, I am Billy. What is your name? तो first boy कौन है? Billy. Second, hi, I am Ronnie. Billy. Nice to meet you, Ronnie. I love to play football. What is your favorite sport? Now what Ronnie is saying? I love to play football too. Does a coach teach you football at school? Yes. A coach teaches us football. That's nice. I also want to take coaching. So students, can you tell me what do you know about Billy and Ronnie? We know that this boy name is Billy. He loves to play football and his coach, he teaches them at school. In the same way, we have the second boy named Ronnie and he likes to play football as well like Billy. Understood? So here we came to know about Billy and Ronnie. In the same way, you also have to introduce yourself. Now students, what are you going to do? You are going to collect information about your friends as well as about yourself. Ask name, ask about hobbies, ask about favorite subject, ask about family. In the same way, you have to gather information about yourself as well as your cousins or your friends. And you have to introduce yourself at home. Okay. Now turn your page. Come to page number 28. What you have next? Paragraph writing. You have next paragraph writing. Write a small paragraph on how you would spend your day indoors. You can use some or all of the words given in the box. So students, what it is said, आपको एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है about spending your day at indoors. Now suppose I had spent my day at home. Okay, मैंने अपना दिन पूरा घर के अंदर बिताया. So what I will tell? Hi friends, yesterday I had spent my day indoors. Do you know how I spent my day? I and my cousin had played board games. Which games? Board games. And later we made some drawings and colored it beautifully. We had some dance. We had listened to beautiful music. So in this way, students, I had used the word draw, board game, dance, music and color. In the same way, you can use these words and make a short paragraph and write it in your HW book. Okay? Now come to the next. Put your ears to it. Track 3. Listen and draw. You can see the picture. So your first step is draw a ball between the boy and the girl. So where you will draw a ball between boy and a girl. So you will draw it here. In the same way, you also have to draw. Okay, yes. हमने एक ball बना दिया. Now what is the second step? Draw small stars on the 10th cloth. Can you see the 10th cloth? Yes, this is your 10th cloth. What you have to draw? You have to draw some small stars. In this way, randomly आपको क्या करना है? इसे stars बनाना है. Yes. In this way, you have to make some stars on the cloth. What you have the step 3? Draw an apple on the chair. Now where is the chair? This is the chair, right? So we will draw it here. An apple on the chair. तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या ड्रॉ किया? एक स्मॉल एप्पल. Okay. Next, draw a ball under the stool. Where is the stool? Here. Under means up or down? Under. Draw a ball. I had drawn a small ball. है कि नहीं, मैंने एक small ball बनाया है यहाँ पर. Next, draw a hat on the top of the boy's head. क्या बनाना है? Hat. How to draw a hat? Do you know how to draw a hat? Let's make a small hat over here. कि नहीं, एक छोटा सा hat बनाते हैं. ओके. Is it okay, students? Right? A small hat over the top of the boy head. Now draw a hairband for the girl. Where do we wear hairband? On the head, right? So let's draw it like this. A small hairband on her head. Okay. Next, draw a window in the upper right corner. Now what it is said? Upper right. This is your left side, this is your right side. So here we are going to draw a window. Okay. Let's draw. Not much big, a small window. Okay. So what to do? Show raindrops on it. बारिश आ रही थी ना बाहर, मिली और बिली जब खेल रहे थे. So you have to just draw some raindrops on it. Okay. Now color the picture. You have to color this picture. Understood? Listen to the instructions carefully and draw accordingly and then color this picture. Okay students, in this way here we are ending up with our English lesson number 2, Fun Indoors. Complete it, color it using color pencils. Remember to use only color pencils. Okay. Bye bye.